How much should you actually spend on an induction cooktop? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, priced at $116.99. It's lightweight and compact, making it a great option if you're looking for portability without compromising on performance. If you want convenience and energy efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Duxtop stands out. It boasts 1,800 watts of power and 20 preset power levels, plus a temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can boil water quickly or simmer a delicate sauce, all while enjoying 83% energy efficiency compared to traditional stoves. The automatic shutoff feature adds peace of mind, especially if you have kids running around. With over 1,000 units sold just in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some users have mentioned that it can produce a high-pitched sound due to the cookware layers. Here's the thing though, if you're using the right magnetic bottom pots, it shouldn't be a deal breaker since the performance is solid. This is perfect for you if you're living in a small apartment or need something for your RV. Skip this one if you prefer a more feature-packed model since it's straightforward and focused on portability. Now, if the Duxtop's price felt a bit high, the next one on my list might actually be more budget-friendly.
Product number 2, New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, coming in at just $78.39. It caught my attention with its user-friendly design and portability. If you're after precise temperature control without breaking the bank, this one's worth a look. What makes the New Wave Flex special is its 81 pre-programmed temperatures and adjustable wattage settings of 600, 900, and 1300 watts. This flexibility allows for everything from simmering delicate sauces to grilling steaks, making it quite versatile. Plus, its shatter-resistant ceramic glass surface is a safety bonus, ensuring you won't need to worry about burns from hot coils. It's lightweight and perfect for dorms or smaller kitchens, with over 900 units sold in the last month. However, some users have pointed out that the cooktop can be a bit slow to heat up initially, but honestly, once it's up and running, it provides even heat distribution, which is what you really need for consistent cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a portable cooktop that won't take up much space. Skip this one if you need a cooktop with higher wattage options for larger meals. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power.
Product number 3, Omio Portable Induction Cooktop. Let's talk about the Omio Portable Induction Cooktop, priced at an attractive $52.99. Its sleek design and features caught my eye immediately. If you want an efficient cooktop that won't empty your wallet, this is certainly worth considering. The Omio offers 1,800 watts of cooking power with 10 temperature levels, ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can easily adjust it from simmering to searing in no time. The LCD sensor touch controls are simple to use, and the LED display helps you keep track of temperature settings effortlessly. Safety features like the child safety lock and auto shutoff add an extra layer of reassurance, which is crucial for busy kitchens. It's also portable, making it ideal for camping or small spaces. However, some users have said it can take a little longer to cool down after cooking. But here's the truth. If you're careful and patient, the performance you get is well worth it for the price. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, easy-to-use induction cooktop for a variety of settings. Skip this one if you're looking for an advanced cooktop with lots of bells and whistles. Honestly, you'll get fantastic value for your money here. Now, if you want something that's a bit more commercial grade, stick around for the next one.
Product number 4, Amazon Basics Induction Cooktop. We have the Amazon Basics 1800W Portable Electric Induction Cooktop, priced at $55.64. It's a solid pick if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done well. If you want something straightforward and reliable, this is worth checking out. It features 8 power settings and a temperature control range up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for various cooking tasks. Whether you're simmering, boiling, or frying, this cooktop can handle it. The auto pause function and child lock are excellent safety features, especially if you have little ones around. With 600 plus units sold recently, it's clear that this model resonates with users. On the downside, some users have mentioned that it might not work well with larger pots. If you're cooking for a big family or need to make larger meals often, that could be a deal breaker. But honestly, for small to medium meals, this cooktop performs admirably. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a portable cooktop that's easy to store and use. Skip this one if you typically cook for large groups. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced and durable, let's move on to the final product.
Product number 5, New Wave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop, priced at $179.99. This one really stands out as a commercial-grade option, perfect for serious cooks. If you want a professional-grade induction cooktop, this is definitely worth your attention. With 94 temperature settings and a maximum temperature of 575 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook everything from delicate sauces to perfectly grilled meats. It's NSF certified, meaning it meets strict safety and durability standards, which is a huge plus for anyone serious about cooking. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface ensures safety, and the efficient heating technology means you get faster cooking times without sacrificing quality. Over 500 units sold recently show that this is a trusted choice among users. However, some reviewers noted that it might be a bit pricier than other options. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your cooking, the investment really pays off in terms of performance and durability. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook elaborate meals or run a small kitchen. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic to heat up leftovers. In the end, it's a solid investment for serious cooks.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the portable, lightweight Duxtop, the budget-friendly New Wave Flex, the efficient Omeo, the reliable Amazon Basics, and the professional-grade New Wave Pro Chef. Each of these cooktops has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific cooking needs and budget. Happy cooking!